Astrum Training. Training Plan Module. We will explain how to configure a training plan that we previously demonstrated in the trainee view. A training plan is a structured collection of CBTs, exams, lectures, and practical training activities. The system also supports the creation of training blocks to represent schedules, such as pre-intro course, with each block containing multiple training items. The system supports prerequisite logic between individual training items, as well as between entire training blocks. This is especially important for airline training operations, where trainees must successfully complete or pass a prerequisite activity, such as an exam, before progressing to subsequent stages like simulator training. The training plan module also provides a powerful schedule template feature that allows administrators to predefine detailed day-by-day training activities and sequencing. As illustrated in the diagram, administrators can design a complete training workflow by organizing activities into structured schedules, such as Day 1, Day 2, Day 3, and so on. Within each day, the template may contain multiple training activities, including CBT, exams, briefings, simulator sessions, lectures, and other practical training events. The template not only defines the training content, but also establishes the intended execution sequence and operational flow of the entire program. When administrators later create actual training schedules from the template, the system will automatically generate the corresponding real training events while preserving the same structure, sequence, and dependency relationships defined in the original template. This significantly reduces manual scheduling work and ensures consistency across all training batches. For example, a Boeing 737 recurrent training template may be defined as shown in the picture. Once the real training schedule is generated, all actual events will automatically follow this predefined flow. Trainees, instructors, classrooms, and simulator devices can then be assigned to the generated sessions accordingly. This template-based scheduling mechanism provides several important operational advantages. Standardizes training delivery across different trainee groups. Reduces repetitive manual schedule creation. Ensures training activities follow regulatory and airline-required sequences. Simplifies large-scale recurrent training operations. Improves scheduling consistency and operational control. During the training management process, a timely and accurate notification mechanism plays a critical role in ensuring trainee learning progress and improving overall training execution efficiency. To support this, each module within the system, such as LMS, AES, Training Plan, and others, includes a standard set of predefined notification templates designed for common training events and workflows. Administrators can easily activate or deactivate individual notifications based on operational requirements. In addition, the system allows administrators to create customized notifications specifically for a particular training plan, enabling organizations to tailor reminder and communication workflows according to their own training policies and procedures. Specifically, within a training plan, instructors can customize the notification trigger types for that particular training program. The system provides a wide range of trigger conditions for instructors to select from. Based on actual operational and management requirements, instructors simply choose the appropriate trigger type and complete the basic configuration, after which the system will automatically monitor the execution status of the training plan. For example, notifications may be triggered when a trainee has not completed a required CBT within a specified period, when an upcoming lecture or simulator session is approaching, when attendance has not been completed by an instructor, or when a qualification or certificate is nearing expiration. Once the trigger conditions are met, the system will automatically send the corresponding notification to the designated recipients. This flexible notification mechanism significantly reduces manual follow-up work for training administrators and instructors, while improving training compliance, schedule coordination, and overall operational efficiency. The concept of a training plan session is designed to organize and manage a complete training workflow for a group of trainees. A training plan session acts as a container that links together all related training activities, including CBT, exams, lectures, and practical training sessions, such as simulator events. For example, in a typical A330 recurrent simulator training program, the training plan may consist of 3 simulator-related items: Sim 1, Sim 2, and OPC. Assume there are 100 trainees requiring simulator training. Since each simulator session accommodates 2 trainees, a total of 150 simulator sessions are required across the 3 activities. There are 2 possible system design approaches: traditional structure, and the traditional approach is to create 50 separate training plan sessions. Each training plan session contains only 1 Sim 1 session, 1 Sim 2 session, and 1 OPC session. 2 trainees are assigned into each training plan session. 2 trainees are assigned into each of 3 item sessions. While this approach is straightforward, it is relatively rigid because all simulator events are tightly bundled together into fixed packages. Any schedule change, instructor reassignment, device conflict, or trainee rescheduling often requires manual adjustment of the entire package. Astrum Flexible Training Plan Session Structure. Astrum introduces a unique and significantly more flexible structure. Instead of creating 50 training plan sessions, the system can create a single training plan session that contains 50 Sim 1 sessions, 50 Sim 2 sessions, 50 OPC sessions. Under this model, the training plan session represents the overall training program, while the individual simulator sessions remain independently schedulable resources. This architecture provides several major advantages. Greater scheduling flexibility. Trainees can be dynamically assigned to available simulator slots without being locked into a predefined package. Better simulator utilization optimization. Administrators can optimize simulator device usage, instructor allocation, and time slots more efficiently. Easier rescheduling. If a trainee misses a Sim 1 session, only that specific session needs adjustment, rather than the entire training package. Improved operational efficiency. Airlines often face simulator maintenance changes, instructor availability issues, weather disruptions, or crew roster conflicts. The flexible training plan session structure allows rapid adjustment with minimal administrative effort. Better scalability for large operations. This structure is particularly beneficial for airlines managing hundreds or thousands of recurrent training events annually. This flexible training plan session architecture is one of the unique design strengths of the Astrum training management system, and differs significantly from many traditional aviation training systems. In actual training operations, even after a training plan has been published, there are often situations where additional training items or adjustments are still required. To address such scenarios, the training plan module provides a flexible content update mechanism. After a training plan has been published, instructors or administrators can still add new training content to the plan at any time. This allows organizations to respond quickly to operational changes, regulatory updates, additional training requirements, or temporary training arrangements, without needing to recreate the entire training plan. Another unique feature of the system is the ability to allow selected trainees to skip specific training items if they have already completed equivalent training externally, or previously obtained the required qualification elsewhere. This flexibility helps avoid duplicate training, reduces unnecessary workload for trainees, and improves overall training efficiency. while still maintaining proper compliance records and approval controls. This mechanism greatly enhances the flexibility and maintainability of training management, ensuring that training plans can continuously adapt to changing operational, organizational, and regulatory requirements.